we 100% encourage you to get in your kitchen and make the foods that you love. However, many recipes, especially those family favorites that have been passed down a generation or 3, tend to be high in inflammatory types of fat and processed foods. I'm here to show you what to look out for in your recipes and easy swaps to make them more balanced and still delicious. Here are some red flags for recipes that may be too high in fat. If the recipe includes more than 1/4 cup of cheese per serving, a recipe calls for a cream sauce, heavy cream, half and half, or mayonnaise, a recipe includes processed or high-fat cuts of meat such as pork sausages, bacon, or hot dogs. So here are some quick and easy ways to make these recipes tickle your taste buds and support your goals. If the recipe includes an abundance of cheese, pare the total amount down to about 1/4 cup per serving or less. Use part-skim cheese or a combination of cottage cheese and regular cheese. This works especially well for casserole dishes like lasagnas. Full-fat coconut milk, coconut cream, and whole milk yogurt can be great substitutes for heavy cream and half and half. Coconut milk is still high in fat, but it's mostly medium-chain triglycerides, also known as MCTs. MCTs are absorbed for quicker energy. Greek yogurt plus milk is a great combination to use in place of heavy cream in cream sauces. For recipes including mayonnaise, quality and quantity matters. Reduce the amount of mayonnaise used by about 1/4 and choose mayo made with avocado oil instead of processed oils. Avocado and guacamole are also great substitutes for mayo in many recipes, especially things like chicken or tuna salads. If the recipe calls for processed or high-fat meats, choosing leaner, more natural alternatives can go a long way. Substitute chicken sausage for hot dogs or pork sausage, uncured turkey bacon for pork bacon, and sub grass-fed beef or lean ground turkey for ground beef or other high-fat cuts of meat. It's important that you build your confidence in the kitchen by being fully armed with healthier recipe swaps. I challenge you to take these tips and check out a few of your favorite recipes. Then get creative.